Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out the 9 best haircut ideas that you can wear in 2023. Here we see this gorgeous curly pixie haircut transformation. Very edgy and chic style. This one does feature a line design on the side as well. And then we see this gorgeous bob. So she has more of that popular asymmetrical bob haircut style. She can wear the hair on either side. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone rocking the burgundy hair color trend. Looks like the stylist cut the hair into more of a pixie style haircut. Gorgeous, that color is absolutely radiant. And then we have another long to short hair transformation. So the stylist did another beautiful pixie haircut with that one. Gorgeous feathered bangs. And then we see this stunning lob haircut. So this one does feature curtain bangs in the front. And then we have this beautiful silver colored pixie cut. Followed by another hair transformation, and she also ended up getting a beautiful pixie style. Next up, we have another hair transformation. So she starts off with shoulder length hair. And it looks like the stylist gave her one of the most popular hair trends that we're seeing right now, and that is the wolf cut. Beautiful bottleneck bangs in the front. Love that pop of blonde on the side. Such a chic and stylish look. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.